What if I told you I can help you save 70% of design time on your mold designs and easily 16% on the cost of that mold? Not only that, I can show you the tools that can save weeks of time spent producing those molds, and those same molds will decrease injection molding cycle times by 14%. The bottom line is, when we work with Cimatron and direct metal printing, we have been able to do exactly that.
3D Systems software suite has really been an asset for us at Bastech. We've really utilized a couple of the different programs to help us kind of take our business to the next level. Part of the beauty of the Cimatron software is it allows us to get a lot more productivity out of the system. So our mold designers can produce quite a bit more output at a lot faster because it's taking some of the repetitive processes off of the table.
Is that it's much quicker to design the mold. It's much easier because the designer has got tools specific for the decisions that he has to make while he's doing the design. And he's got a much better chance of understanding what's involved in the part because he can interrogate the part, look at it, and understand the conditions that he's going to have to design around.
When we first started working with conformal cooling, it worked very well, but it was a very manual operation, and again it required us to do the actual concepting of how that conformal cooling would be done, whereas the Cimatron adds more of an automated approach to that, so it makes it a more productive, thorough system.
Or with direct metal printing, I can do conformal cooling that I could not do with conventional tooling. This allows me to get the channels right up a consistent distance away from the part geometry, an even distance along the geometry, and work around where I have to have ejector pins and where I have to have attachment screws and other features.
As he snakes that water line through the core, he may need to change its shape, its diameter. He may need to check to see if it's going to possibly come close to an ejector pin. All the while he can be doing that and checking to make sure that it's within a minimum condition of material.
Taking it over to our scanning area, our quality control area, using laser scanning as well as geomagic control to make sure that we have an accurate part. By doing this, we are qualifying that tool to our customer so that the customer knows it has been built efficiently. Using 3D Systems end-to-end solution through the software and the hardware, we are able to provide our customer with a quality tool as well as quality parts.
Our shop is built entirely on 3D Systems technology, and it's really not by accident. It has the best machines for direct wax and casting patterns. It has the best machines for direct metal printing systems as well as stereolithography and selective laser sintering, which are staples in the industry. And then some of the best things that have happened also is when 3D Systems added the software capabilities. So it allows us with one relationship with 3D Systems to have really a complete solution for our shop.